Huzzah! And welcome back to Nightingale Plays Pokemon Fire Red version. When we left off, I was actually on Route 1, training my Charmander, but I've decided that for the sake of brevity and entertainment, that I'm not actually going to be showing you when I level up my Pokemon, or catch them. So here we are. Hey, you came back from Pallet Town. Well, came from Pallet Town. You know Prof Oak, right? His order came in. Can I get you to take it to him? So, you don't know me. You just know that I came from the general direction of Pallet Town. So you're giving me a professor's parcel. I could just wander off with this and not give it to him. It probably has some cool stuff in it too. Let's see if we can't look at it. A parcel to be delivered to Prof Oak from friends. So, Oak is telling me not to use parcel. He knows! He knows! Alright, we'll go give it to him. I'll try to avoid all the grass here. There's really no point in fighting a bunch of Pidgey and Rattata at the moment. Although I do want to capture a Pidgey. I'll probably capture it up ahead of Viridian City. It'll be higher level instead of level like 3 or 2. And here we are, back in Pallet, going to deliver a parcel. Oh, Kumo, how is my old Pokemon? Well, it seems to be growing more attached to you. You must be talented as a Pokemon trainer. What's that? You have something for me? Yep. Your parcel. I'm a good, noble fellow, so I went ahead and did the right thing. Gave you your parcel. Not because I know I need to have done it to progress the story or anything. I don't know why I always expect, like, when music comes on, this thing to go by itself. Okay. A quest, you say? Not a... no. High-tech encyclopedia. Now I always wondered what the Dex in Pokédex stood for. I know it's Dexter in the anime, but... Index. That's it. Got it. Or appendix. It's probably index. Alright, so now that we have Pokeballs, I think I am gonna go ahead and try to... Oh yeah, probably have to go talk to that man. The coffee man, as I call him. Alright, time to go fulfill an old fogey's dream. It would really oh, come on now. Jerks like you. Okay, so guess what I'm about to do? Go talk to Gary's sister. I'll do whatever I want, Gary. And I'm doing this just to spite you. Hey, Daisy. He sure did. It's not lazy, he's old and just wants his dreams fulfilled. You can appreciate that, can't you? Can't you? I know. I hope one day if I don't fulfill my dreams that some kids will go do it for me. Some 10-year-olds. Wait, that sounds wrong. Anyway, come at me, Pidgey. I'm not gonna capture this one. Like I said, I kind of want a higher leveled one. Oh, you. You look like a Pokemart person. Yep. There's always one of you wandering around at the beginning of these games. Thank you. Now I don't have to worry about my Charmander becoming fainted because of a lack of a single potion. Poke problems. This music is so fun. So catchy, so nostalgic. Sorry, Ratata. I think I'll actually make you faint to get the experience. Oh, that actually wasn't worth anything. What am I saying? All experience is good experience. Okay, up past the Pokemart, past this place which I should go explore. That's nice. You there. It's a box? The Pokédex is a box? Okay. That seems inconvenient. I do. Wait, did I actually... I probably did. Let's just assume I did have to actually talk to him. Squinty eyes and everything. I wonder if in, like, the Japanese version of this, it was coffee that he wanted. It wouldn't surprise me if it was, but... Nice catch, old man! How did you find a Weedle sitting in the middle of the town? Teachy TV? What is that? Oh. That's probably not gonna happen. Okay, there's the gym that we can't go to. Can't cut down that small little insurmountable bush. Tree, a bonsai, looks like. Alright, okay, so this would probably be the area where I want to catch Pidgey. But, I don't know, I'll probably do that off screen unless this is a good one. It's even weaker than the other one. Poor Pidgey. Prepare to be scratched. And now prepare to have your face burned off. Good work, Charmander. Less experience than that Rattata back there. Alright, so looks like we're ready to go to Viridian Forest. Potentially. Yep. Oh, nice. I can't believe there are things like that that I just forgot. Like, I forgot that when you start up the game, it tells you what you were doing when you left off. It's kind of annoying because I know what I did, but it's cool. I like it. Your Caterpie falls. And my Charmander grows. Funny how it works out that way. Alright. A Weedle! I should be like the old man and capture it. He taught me so much. I don't know where I would be without him. Oh, I wasn't actually gonna capture it anyway. Level up! Alright. Enough wasting time. So, I actually haven't been in this forest in quite a while. I don't think it's actually possible for me to get lost, but it's a it is a possibility. Alright, I actually gotta take a break, so when we pick up, I'll hopefully have a Pidgey. I don't even know if you can catch them here, but I'll find out. So, in the meantime, farewell, and see you next time for another adventure.